Hello everyone, I'm Slaya. Today I'll show you how to download Dolphin Emulator for PC. If you're ready, let's get started. First, go to the official Dolphin Emulator website. You should not download it from other sources as it may contain malware. Click on the download page at the top. If you're using Windows, you'll need to install Visual C+ for the emulator to work. You can download it by clicking this link. You can download the Dolphin Emulator for Windows by clicking here. If you're using Mac, Android, or Linux, you should download it from these sections. Let's download it by clicking and proceed with the installation process. Extract the downloaded zip file. Open the extracted folder. Run dolphin.exe. The Dolphin Emulator has been successfully installed. I hope you found a how to download Dolphin Emulator for PC tutorial helpful. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.